Gold information you almost certainly failed to know about. What information do you possess about gold trading? Would you consider yourself a rookie? Are you experienced in trading but simply want some additional advice? These tips are tailored for both the beginning gold trader and also those more skillful. You are certain to read something you did not previously know. When you sell gold, get a sense of value from a variety of sources. You will find quite a few stores selling jewelry or that purchase it, and they sometimes earn more money on the gold than you are making into it. Getting estimates from several establishments will help you be sure that you obtain a fair price. Explore selling gold on the web. There's no reason at all to confine you to ultimately brick-and-mortar stores when selling your gold. You can get plenty of websites to market gold. You can expect to get a kit that will help you to mail your gold items off. If all is working order, they'll then pay out at their going rate. Ensure you research a business before sending them gold inside the mail. You have to be clear about when you can expect to be paid. Insuring your gold shipment is a great idea, too. Last, however, not least, photograph each item you will be sending via mail so that you have recourse if your dispute occurs. Don't have much cash? Purchase scrap gold. It is possible to accumulate scrap gold since you can afford it and also have a pretty nifty nest egg within a few years. Find a secure spot for your stash until there exists enough that you can cash it in. If you're enthusiastic about investing in jewelry made of gold for a person other than yourself, ensure that you have the capacity to send it back to get a full refund if required. It is tough to know if that jewelry will almost certainly fit another person, or maybe if that individual will almost certainly need it. If this should take place, it is crucial you may return the piece for the full refund. If you have little idea what your gold could be worth, then an appraisal is a great idea. Paying an expert to appraise your item is an excellent investment. In order to maximize reliability, make sure the appraiser is independent and accredited. Even when you still opt to sell, know that you aren't going to get the appraised value. If you're planning to ship your jewelry to some mail-order buyer, recognize how much return shipping will cost you in the event you don't accept their offer. A lot of companies offer free shipping but charge more for mailing items back. Understand what this cost is prior to mail your items. Make certain you're only selling to a person who has a license to acquire gold. They are likely to be honest. There are numerous stores and individual buyers thinking about purchasing gold, so always know you have multiple options, and never simply the first deal that comes up. Research gold before making an investment in it. Some individuals swear they're market experts and attempt to help you get to invest with them. Be wary of any claim to help you rich quick inside the gold markets. Tend not to consider gold as some method to get rich quickly, and also you won't be disappointed. When you go to a dealer, be sure to read all forms clearly. There's a ton of money involved with this business. You should be aware any form you're attaching your signature to. If you don't much like the terms, be ready to move on. At the conclusion of your day you are the one who stands to reduce financially. Sort your gold by carats into groups if you are planning on selling it. The carat value determines the gold's value, which means you are unlikely to acquire the best price to your gold when it is all weighed together. Gold with higher carat value is worth more money. Ask people you know for broken jewelry. If you have a significant jewelry scale, you can weigh gold yourself. By doing this, you pay your household more cash than they'd get at a pawn shop and you get to come up with a few bucks yourself. Thinking long-lasting is nice in all of the investing, particularly gold. This calls for you to get gold no matter what the actual prices are and not simply once the value is high. Actually, this is simply not when you need to make an investment in gold. You will definitely get the most effective price overall should you buy gold constantly. Realize that you will not receive full price in your gold. The gold dealers need to make money at the same time. There ought to be money made, so room is essential inside the negotiated price. As being a ballpark figure, you can expect to get about 50% to 3/4 of the piece's actual worth. Check the gold charts, which are put out monthly to discover the market trends. Plot trends while using data found in MCX charts. To make the most of the research, you need to use both sorts of charts. Gold by using a higher carat weight should be weighed separately from gold having a low carat weight. Jewelry with higher carats are worth more. Should you mix the pieces together when weighing, you won't be getting the value of the higher carats. Have these materials separated before trying to sell them. Always have some sort of identification together with you when you are selling gold. Gold is quite common with thieves that would like to generate income. Professional buyers are legally obligated to ensure the ID of anyone selling significant numbers of gold. Employing this tactic, stolen gold may be traced back more quickly. Getting an appraisal on your gold is a really smart idea. The simple truth is that getting the gold appraised can cost you money. However, the quantity you must pay for the appraisal could be considerably less than the sum you would have been cheated away from. Now that you have got all this useful information, you're ready to dominate the gold market. You could start selling and buying confidently, resulting in large profits. In the long run, that is everything you can request, along with a great knowledge base gets you there.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.